Okay, so we're going to take a look at the new Bright House digital adapter that they're giving to all their subscribers. And here we have a television that doesn't have a cable box, and we're kind of limited in the number of channels that we have, and some of the channels right here are even a little bit fuzzy. Like if we go to channel 5, yeah, channel 6 is a little bit fuzzy right here, and there's only a few channels that you can get as well too before you run out. There's no HD without a cable box currently, but Bright House is giving out these boxes right here to HD. So let's see what this is. Free to all customers, and let's see what they call Bright House. They'll just bring this out to your house, and they give you a remote because we're gonna have HD channels in a minute here, and it's more. So let's get this plugged in, and okay. So before we get this hooked up, let's see what they got. They give you the remote. It's gonna go with the cable box, and as you can see, it's got a HDMI output for HD. So here's the HD cable that they give you. This is going to plug into the box. That'll go into the TV. You have the electrical box that goes into right there. This plugs into your wall, and then back into the cable box. And then right here, this cord plugs into the box as well. And they have a little Velcro thing that you can stick on your TV, so you can actually hide the cable box and just use this for the sensor for the remote to change the channel, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. So let's take a look at what we got. We've got the cable, the new digital cable, plugged into the wall to go into the box, and then this is where the electrical cord is. Right here is the HDMI, which goes right there into the TV. If you have a much older TV that doesn't have HDMI, then you'll just take the power cable that was plugged into the wall and plug it into the back of the cable box right here. And then right here, this cord is for the remote. That's right here, and just to kind of show that, this is where the there's a little sticker right here. There's a little piece of Velcro, so we're gonna peel that off and put that on top of the TV. Right there, I'm just going to pull that off, and then stick it on top of the TV like so. And I just wiped it off with a dry paper towel to get some of the dust off to make sure it wasn't okay. Alright. Okay, so when I turn on my TV, I didn't get any sort of channel. So what you want to make sure is that if you have HDMI selected, that you do the input select. So in my case, I've got an input select on my current remote, and it's telling me to give a call to this phone number to activate the device. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so at this point I should bring up that the cable box did come with instructions as far as how to get everything set up, and when we so it has all the parts, and most importantly it's this part right here to act. So we plugged it on, and when we said we got that phone number, when you call Bright House, when you get the automated system so you don't have to talk to somebody directly, you're going to want to you're going to give them your phone number, and you're going to want to say box hit right there. And then when they ask you if you want to reset your cable box, you're going to say yes. And you do that, and then that should activate the box. You won't have to be put on hold for however long it is to get it set up. Okay, so as soon as I did the box hit, within about 60 seconds, the converter box reset, and now we have the TV. You can go ahead and click on menu here, and you can see where it says channels, captions, language, HDMI. And go to channels, and you can see all of your channels here. You can use the page up or page minus, page up to scroll through. So I'll take a look and see. So now we're getting ESPN and HD, and so this is new without the cable box, just plugging right into the wall. The channels weren't coming into HD, so from a TV's owner standpoint, Bright House is definitely competing a lot better now with the HD antennas that are out there. You can get a lot more channels that are in HD. And before, without this box, I wasn't able to get NBC, CBS, ABC in HD. And as you can see now, when I go to 1020, you now have all the primetime channels in HD. One last thing to show, right now we're in HD, and this is channel 4, and this is channel 1020. So this used to be just the HD version, but now the single digit channels are just as good as HD, so we're getting a HD signal on the lower channels again.